At this juncture, let's invite upon Hajia Shamima Muslim for a solidarity message. Please put your hands together for her. Taba, taba, mata, taba, mata. Mata, kutaba, kutaba. Mongo de Susei. Just chance on the MP for the Ayawasu East, Honorable Nasser Mahama Tuli, otherwise known as Mark Naza, is just seated, just join us. Thank you, Mongo de.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Our distinguished chiefs, opinion leaders, ladies and gentlemen, members of the Dogon community in Ghana, on behalf of His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, his Chief of Staff Mr. Julius Debra, and Deputy the Honorable Nana Oyebampo Ado, who would have loved to be here and who I am representing. I'd like to extend the President's greetings to all of you this auspicious afternoon. The President would like to say congratulations to the Dogon community for continuing to preserve their rich history and culture, which has been on display here on the streets of Nima, the historic streets of Nima, since afternoon. He says to say congratulations for preserving your culture. The President says people who have lost their culture have lost their identity. And to the extent that the Dogon community in Ghana continue to embrace, preserve, communicate, and showcase their rich culture every year means you're a people who know your roots. Congratulations, and you may give yourself a round of applause for that. As we celebrate today, the President has only one message to all of us. In real fact, we are all settlers. This earth is not our final destination. It means no matter our ethnic group, no matter our history, our culture, our religion, whoever we are in our differences, we will all leave this earth one day. And so the President says, in order for us to contribute to build peaceful communities that thrive and that work for all of us as citizens of Ghana, we should all promote peaceful coexistence. We should do what? Promote what? Peaceful coexistence. As we celebrate who we are, we must recognize that in our differences is our unity. And that when we are different, it does not make us enemies. It makes the world a beautiful place when we all learn to live together and to respect each other's religion, is at each other's customs, is at each other's traditions. And so this afternoon, as we once again gather as a community united by history and common identity, the President would like to call on you to use occasions like this to remind all of us of our common humanity and what we all seek as people and as citizens of Ghana is dignified jobs so we can earn dignified incomes to take care of our families and to contribute to the development of our communities. Let us not therefore distract this forward-looking agenda by embracing unnecessary conflicts. On this occasion, I'd like to also use the occasion of your beautiful ceremony on behalf of the President to call on all communities that are today engulfed in some conflict to give peace a chance, to come back onto the pathway of negotiation, to talk to each other and to ensure that their communities will remain peaceful so that development will find its way and its roots in those communities. Long live the Dogon community. Long live Nima Mamobi Newtown. Long live all settlers. Long live all indigents. Long live all of us, citizens of Ghana, citizens of Africa, citizens of the world. I wish you all a very wonderful celebration today. Nagode, the ciao. Bye-bye.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Hello? Dalla ataba ma Hajiya Shamima Muslim ataba mata haba. Mun gode sosai, mun gode sosai. Hello? Dalla ataba ma Hello? Dalla ataba ma. Okay, Hajiya Shamima Muslim is presenting 20,000 Ghana cedis on behalf of the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Thank you. Ataba. Thank you. All right, Mongoli Society. Mongoli.